burger. I don't know which one is this one.
Let's see.
Fine. Open it.
You can open it.
And that's the second Wagyu burger.
This is the bacon. That's the bacon.
That's the one that shows a vegetable on it. This one has a vegetable. Well, actually, it has vegetable.
I don't have mine. It's bacon, right?
Okay.
Mine it doesn't have a bacon.
Okay. Alright.
This is
The Wagyu burger, and it has supposed to have some Wagyu meat on it. We're not sure.
yeah.
Supposed to have Wagyu meat. But this is the first time tasting Wagyu meat.
From Arby's.
Hopefully, then they did not lie to us. Hopefully, there's some Wagyu meat in the Wagyu burger. How does it taste? That's pretty soft and tender. That's pretty soft and tender. Does it taste any different than a regular burger?
Tastier though. I can tell.
Okay, it's tastier.
I'm a big fan of a steak now.
Well, we each take about like once a week.
Do we? I will twice sometimes. Curly fries.
And the burger is put in a pretzel bun. So it's not your regular bun, it's a pretzel bun.
Is this not the brioche?
It would be brioche press?
That's a sticker though.
No. It is your fault because it's a good size burger. It's not
small, no?
No, it's not very small. It's not a very, very big burger, but it's enough to fill it up.
It's really big though.
It's like a...
You wanna try mine?
But it's like a McDonald's quarter pounder. Maybe a little bit bigger than that.
But this one is tastier and it's not dry too.
Yeah.
With McDonald's, they're dry. That's why I only get the chicken sandwich. This is large. Yep. Yours is medium. Curly fries. On the background, Jack is sleeping.
If you had a high expectation of a Wagyu burger or Wagyu meat, it doesn't taste really that different from regular meat.
Arby's in the Philippines.
Not yet.
I know. What I know is Food Panda. The one the Chinese restaurant.
Yeah, Panda Express.
Food Panda, Panda Express. We have Chili's. We have Applebee's. We have Denny's, Popeyes,
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
KFC,
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Kenny Rogers.
Yeah. Do they serve burgers in Kenny Rogers?
No, Kenny Rogers is a chicken company.
Yeah. Well, maybe they have chicken sandwich.
They used to have it in Florida. Now they don't have it in Florida. They don't. I think Tennessee. I don't know what state they have it. Tennessee is one of them. The owner Kenny Rogers died, so. They have good chicken though.
So big. This is the peach lemonade. Finish it. I'm gonna finish the French fries. Tastes good. Yours then. Good. Can you finish yours? It's too big. Then it has strawberry lemonade. I used to love this fries on the side.
We don't have it all the time. It's been a long time since we had it. Maybe the taste about change or something.
Yeah.
But the one they sold at the moment, a small lemon on it.
Was it the Wendy's or this one I like? From Wendy's. No?
Wendy's. was our first experience with the Wagyu burger, and again, the Wagyu burger at Arby's is not made of 100% Wagyu meat, so it
It's
is
just
mixed.
a blend, right?
It is mixed with other ground beef. Of course, they sell you the burger for $10, $11. So there's no way they could put 100% Wagyu meat on it. Because Wagyu is very expensive.
It's very expensive.
So they blend it with other style American meat. But the advantage of putting the Wagyu meat on the other one is